Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make meatballs from scratch. Let's get started. Alright, first up we got 1 pound of ground beef. To that we're going to add a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and a dash of pepper. About a 1/2 cup of diced onion. And 1 egg. Now we're just going to mix all that together until it's all combined. Alright, now that that's all combined, we're going to take that beef and we're going to form it into about 1 to 2 inch balls. And set those aside on the plate. And just form all the beef into balls. Alright, first up we're going to turn on our heat. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of peanut oil. We're going to let that come up to the smoke point. Alright, now that that's heated up, we're going to add our meatballs. We're going to just brown them up on all sides. Make sure that we get all sides evenly browned. Alright, now that those are all browned up, we can go ahead and remove them. And just let them drain on a paper towel. And there we go. And there we have our meatballs. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.